What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Scorpilla. Back again with another video. We is at the beach. This damn dog. I gotta take down my hair, so first I gotta find a garbage can for her right quick, because she shit it. I can throw this bag away. This trash, yep. So right now, I gotta roll her up because she tweaking. Right now, we is at the beach. We at the beach with this little girl. We is at the beach. Daddy over there doing something. Don't mind my hair because I'm taking it down as we speak right now. So, I'm gonna give the Lord everything. So I'm not gonna be on this all day. So this is just like a 10-minute vlog, you know, to the beach. First time for all of us, you know. Come on. I gotta take down my hair. It's cold, but I'm gonna rock it out. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. So we're gonna go to the beach in a minute, but we just gotta wait until Dada get done what he's doing. The sun is not even out at this moment. The sky is blue. Come on. What the fuck is that? No, thank you. This is closer to what we gotta work at anyway. So, and then yeah. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, I have on a mask. I have on a mask. I think I'm the only one. Come on, that get on the fucking mask right now. Yeah, she's looking. This is our first time at the beach. We're supposed to be waiting on Daddy, but he wants to do him, so. Yeah, we at the beach and my hair looking all crazy and stuff. Stuff I don't like, but it's okay. First time at the beach. It's our first time at the beach, y'all. And she likes the cold because she's not hot. Going all that. I think I'm gonna get closer to the beach. Closer to the water. No. Come on. Come on. Deborah, come on, dog. I know you like to sniff and stuff, but this is beautiful. Stop my video. She stopped my video, y'all. My bad. Oh my God. Okay, we can go on the sand now. Y'all, well, half y'all don't know. I don't like sand. I just don't. I just don't. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. But she's. Oh my God, it's all in my feet. Oh, don't do that. They got tents out. We're gonna go close to the beach, doggy. Come on. Hello. Sorry. Come on, Devora. Devora. No. I know, right? Come on, I'm gonna get you to the closer to the water. Come on. There's some boo-boo on the damn thing, please. I don't have no. Y'all. She don't like it. She don't like it. She don't like it. You want to be cold, right? Come on. She don't like it, y'all. She don't like it. Hey, come here. Come. She don't like it. She don't like the water. That's sad. Come on. No, come on. Because one day we got to walk this beach. Come on, Devora. Come on. No, look. It's peaceful. As you can see, I'm at my little dress. I like it, but my phone is crazy. And you see my car. Yeah. I have no shoes on. I've been to the beach when I was a kid. I'll show you my doggy. I wish I could turn my camera around, but I need to buy a camera and not my phone. Because my phone is cool. But then how am I edit all my videos? I don't know. Look at this nut ass nigga just gonna stick his tongue out at me. What? Really? 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 Get your ass out the car. Look, oh, you feeding Devora. See, if I stand in one spot, my dress will go up a little bit. Oh. What? Look at his sexy, handsome self. Look at him. Who is that right there? What's that right there? And Devora in the car. We just at the beach, chilling, having a good time. Out of all of my out of all of everything that's been happening to me, you know, at least get a car, a dog, another chance to even get my babies. So I'm enjoying it, so I can enjoy it with them one day. Just right here. I hope nobody can see it, but I needed to go all the way down to my tummy. Look at her. Just look at her. I know y'all can see her. What's your Instagram? What's your What? I guess so, yeah. It's beautiful. Alright, catch y'all when I probably leave this site. I'm gonna take some pictures and call it a day, but bye-bye for now. Y'all, we're going by the water again. Gotta get some footage. Look at the eagles, pigeons, or whatever that is. Come on, Devora. Devora. Look, she's trying to. Devora. so cold, y'all. Oh my god. So cold. Oh, here it goes. Here comes this cold ass water. This water, y'all, is cold. Devora! Come on, Devora! This water cold. Oh shit! Come on! Oh, don't shake on the lady, Devora. So rude. Come on, let's go. Let's go back out there. Because we got to take like 2. Alright, y'all. So the vlog is about to end. So I got my baby over here. Well, his phone, so let me get my key out the way. But we're going to take some more pictures because my phone's on 4%. We're going to get some food. So yeah, let's get some food. I will talk to y'all once I get right back.